I have a question for every trader. My first question is scalping dead? Secondly, is day trading dead? And then lastly, is swing trading dead? Why are most persons not talking about these three types of trading? You scalp, you day trade, or you swing doesn't mean we are not traders. We are all traders. I go most times I check online and then I see some traders making a lot of trying to chase clouds, saying a lot of things about scalpers, saying a lot of things about the traders, those are swing. We are not market makers, we are just here. It is based on our own edge, what we are familiar with that we are doing. I myself am a day trader. I can go trade for 24 hours, one day, for 2 days. Yeah, that's fine. That if I want to. If you are a scalper, you know when to enter your time, you know the time frame to analyze, you know the time frame to execute, right? Your analysis and also your executional time frame, they are all set. Good. I am not disputing the fact that your time frame or your type of trading is bad. If you are also a swing trader, and also you are holding trade for over weeks, for over months, I'm not saying you are not making profits. We are all making profits. But I want to tell you today that a scalper risks high than a day trader. A day trader risks low than a scalper. And then a swing trader risks higher than a day trader and also a scalper. A swing trader doesn't make more money than a day trader. A day trader doesn't make more money than a scalper. It all bounces back to probability. It is a game of probability, and we are all dealing with risk to reward ratio. A swing trader might want to risk $100 per trade, target $300 in 3 weeks time. That's fine, because he don't want to be checking his charts, stuffs like that. But a day trader can risk the same $100 in a day, withdraw and make profit that same day and then close his charts. A scalper can still risk the same $100 and also target $300 and then go out of the trade without stress. There is no point saying a scalper make more money than a day trader. No, this is also based on personality. I choose to trade as a day trader than going into the line of scalping. Most times I might want to stay away from my chart and then I just take my sell order and then I close my chart and then I go on with my daily activities, right? The same thing applies to a swing trader. A scalper might want to like scalp very fast and then make profit and then leave the market without stress. Where a day trader wants to like be checking the chart, try to like analyze. Once it's done, it's done. And then as a swing trader, once you are even in the market, there's no point checking because your profit is very, very far. It might take months. That is actually the difference between these three type of trader. So I want you to know this now and know peace, right? So thanks for watching.